How to open Bank Mandiri account online. To open your Bank Mandiri account online, first of all, launch the Livin by Mandiri mobile banking application and choose your language. Once you've done that, tap on the Open My First Account button over here and you can see Open a Savings Account. If you have a referral code, perfectly fine, you can enter them here, or else you can tap on the Open Account button where it will ask you to select a physical debit card as well, whatever it is that you want. So just choose a debit card that you want and you can check the card limits and fees, followed by the next option over here. Once you tap the next option, you have to simply agree to all of these terms and conditions. And once you agree to these terms and conditions, you can simply go ahead and then see all the account opening steps in this case. Make sure to go through all of these one after the other, by the way. Once done, tap on the I agree button and you can also turn on these options, but that's completely optional, but I'll just select next for now. Here you must simply take a photo of your e-KTP or KTP, sorry, then tap the camera icon, take a photo, verify your identity, fill in all of the other legal details that is available for you. Once you fill in all the form, you will be able to register or open your Bank Mandiri account online. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.